Welcome to the video, where today we're tackling a common problem faced by developers testing web APIs using Postman. The issue at hand is having to test different scenarios for the same request without creating multiple copies of that request. You see, duplicating requests for each scenario can become tedious and clutter up your workspace, definitely not an ideal situation. Now, onto the solution. To avoid creating duplicate requests, we can leverage Postman's collection variables feature. By using the code pm.collectionvariables.set object created true, we can set a variable to indicate the creation status of a resource, enabling us to manage different test scenarios within the same request. Building upon the previous step, we can then use pm.collectionvariables.get object created to retrieve the variable value. With this information, we could direct the flow of our test scripts accordingly. For instance, if the resource was successfully created, we can test for a status of 409 on the second run. And if not, we test for a 200 status and set the collection variable if the creation is successful. To further streamline our testing process, we can automate data variations using a JSON data file in the collection runner. By structuring the file to include different values for the access token, such as access token, XWAS, and access token, we can automate running the request with and without a valid access token effortlessly. In summary, with Postman's collection variables and data file automation, we've successfully optimized our testing workflow. Say goodbye to unnecessary request duplication and scripting complexities. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your favorite testing quirk. Thanks for watching.